and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys 10 reasons that you should be drinking pickle juice. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. I know. Pickle juice? Really? Really, Sebastian? Pickle juice? Yes, pickle juice. Now I know some people are going to think this is just so foul and so disgusting. I'm kind of one of them. But I do know some people that do like pickle juice. My friend Amanda likes pickle juice. My sister drinks pickle juice. They will literally drink the pickle juice from the pickle jar. I remember we had pickled moonshine. That is a story for another time, but this is a thing. So I'm going to give you guys today the 10 reasons or benefits of why you guys may want to try some pickle juice. So number 1 is going to be for muscle cramps. So for whatever reason, this is specifically true with men who are, more dehydrated and are experiencing some more muscle cramps. And apparently pickle juice helped soothe their cramps more than anything else quicker. Now there was a study and everything on this. Now apparently about a third of a cup of pickle juice was all that it took to have everybody feeling better and less crampy after the gym. Now the study was done with men who had muscle cramps after, they worked out or whatever it was, after drinking nothing at all. Then they compared that with drinking a third cup of water and then with the third cup of pickle juice, and apparently pickle juice won. Now it is said that this is because of the vinegar that's found in the pickle juice and the pain relief benefits from the vinegar. Vinegar can also help stop nerve signals as well. So of course, if your tired muscles are cramping and the vinegar that's in pickle juice is a pain reliever and it'll stop the signaling to your nerves, then voila. Number 2 is that it helps you stay hydrated. Now I have a million videos on hydration by now, so typically for most people, most of the time, water should be fine for you. If you're working out for about an hour or less, then to keep you hydrated after your workout, water is typically fine. But if you're having a super hard workout, if you're doing like a crazy HIIT workout, if you're working out for more than an hour, or in an environment or climate that is really, really hot, then pickle juice. Now this is because something with sodium or potassium can help keep you hydrated, faster. So sodium and potassium are electrolytes and you lose these in your sweat. And especially, I know you've heard me say this in another video, salty sweaters. So especially if you're a salty sweater, you're going to be losing more of these electrolytes in your sweat than the average person. So you're going to want to definitely replenish these to help keep you hydrated. Now, pickle juice definitely has more sodium than it does potassium, but it does have both. Now, this can help your body recover to, normal electrolyte level quickly, and I'm saying, sip on some pickle juice. Don't sit there with a jar of pickles, eat the whole jar, and drink the whole. No. Number 3 is that it is a fat-free recovery aid. Now, I've made other videos about sports drinks before and about, calorie intake and, beverages and liquids contributing to your overall calorie intake that you don't really realize. So if you're trying to lose weight, you probably don't want to be consuming some sports drink that has a ton of sugar, a ton of calories, and a ton of stuff in there that you don't want after you just spent all this time and energy working out to lose weight. But if you had a really crazy workout and you need to be replacing some electrolytes, you really should be doing that. Or if your muscles are cramping and you want really quick relief, pickle juice. Now there are some calories in pickle juice, of course, but there's no fat. Now in 1 cup of a serving, which is a decent amount of pickle juice, it'll have about 100 calories. Number 4 is that it is cheap and affordable. Now, how many different sports drinks are there out there and how expensive can they get? If you're somebody that already has pickles in their house anyway because you like snacking on them, then there you go. You got 2 for the price of 1. Now, hear me out because now this is all going to make sense. Did you know that they actually have commercialized pickle juices that are packaged as sports drinks? We're on to something. But Of course, if you're drinking, you know, the pickle juice that's coming from your jar, you know, it's going to be cheaper and all that and whatever. But at least with the packaged stuff, you know exactly, you know, what you're getting in each serving of the pickle juice. Number 5 is that it has antioxidants. So you know how much I love antioxidants. So specifically here, pickle juice is going to be containing vitamins C and E. This is going to help protect your body against free radicals, help boost your immune system, and more. And number 6 is that it can aid in weight loss. Now there are studies that show that consuming, you know, a little bit of vinegar each day can aid in weight loss, and like I said before, there's vinegar in your pickle juice. Now there are studies that show, you know, people who are drinking a little bit of vinegar per day in like a 12-week period showed more weight loss than those who did not. That's why you see people, you know, doing the apple cider vinegar shots and those types of things. Number 7 is that it helps to control blood sugar levels. Now again, this is due to the vinegar. Number 8 is that it can boost gut health. Now again, this is because the vinegar here too can just kind of help your belly feel a little bit more healthy. Now vinegar is fermented, so this is of course going to be really good for your digestive system. They encourage the growth and healthy balance of good bacteria in your stomach or your gut. And number 9 is to choose dill. Dill pickles, they're definitely better. They have cholesterol-lowering properties, which is always good. And there's also other medical uses for dill. It's been used to treat indigestion, stomach cramps, gas, and other digestive issues. And number 10, it helps to sweeten your breath. I know, doesn't sound like it would, but it does. So bad breath is caused, of course, by bacteria in your mouth. Now dill and vinegar both have antibacterial properties. Now this combination after drinking your pickle juice can definitely help freshen your breath. But that is all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video with anybody who likes pickles or pickle juice. Really teach them something new. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.